Frank. Mr. Hoover.
I'm very happy to meet you, Mr. Hoover.
Very glad to meet you. You know, you and I have got something in... All right, that's plenty of it, talk.
Sir.
Well, we're proud to have you among our boys. It's been a great privilege to us. And Frank, I'm very proud to have this medal at your hand. And I'm proud to meet you. You stand for everything that the Boys Club stand for. And we're glad to have you as our prime example to the country.